Hi everyone, this is Christine Josty from Mail Something Pretty, and I wanted to show you a fun Z card today. This is also one of my club projects for the month of May, so I'm filming it because we are not able to meet in person. So hello, I miss you. Hopefully in June we can get together. So this is one of your projects. So it showcases, like I said, the Z fold, which is fun, and there's lots of versions of it. This is just one, but it also showcases some new paper that I wanted to show you. And I don't remember the name of it. I don't even have my catalog yet. It's coming today. Very excited. My boxes are coming today. Some catalogs were mailed out to people, and some I have, they're arriving today. So everyone who certainly is a club member or who has been ordering from me will be getting a catalog. And so that's why I don't know the names of everything. But this is some paper. It's beautiful. It's actually what's one of the cool things. It's 24 sheets, so you get 12 different designs. Or actually, I guess you get 24 designs because it's double-sided. So you can see there's a lot of. It's kind of based on like flooring. So there's a lot of woods or. This is like a marble tile. Some are like backsplash. Some are painted tiles. It's really fun, and it has somewhat muted colors, neutral colors I should say, which is really nice. So I'll just flip through these real quick. Carpets and wood flooring, and like I said, like kind of some faux walls, this nice little textured linen and tiles. It's fun, and I'm really excited about it. So that's what I used on the backgrounds of this paper. And then I used our friend the poppy flower with that sticking around. Very excited. It's a global flower, so I'm really happy they're keeping it. And the other new thing, we're going to use the dies. And actually I ended up only using this tiny little die here. And you can stamp, club members, you can stamp whatever you have at home. But I included a blank, just a white piece. But these, and I don't know the name of it, but I love the labels. Some are stitched and some have different edgings and some are smooth, but lots of label designs, which I didn't really have before. So I'm really excited to use it. It is sold with this stamp set, so you can buy them separate, but it's a bundle. So if you buy them together, it saves 10%. And I like this one too. I love the feather. I love the script. And so we will be using that. You'll be seeing that a lot too, because it's kind of peaceful. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. I don't think I need them anymore. Those aside. But I'm going to do some cutting to show you how I did that Z-fold. The club members I already cut and scored for you, but if you can write down the measurements, or you can just measure them from your card so you can make more. All right, so this is a new color called, I think it's called Misty Moonlight. Pretty sure. It's a really nice blue. I think you're gonna like it. It's kind of like a worn, loved pair of jeans, or like it's very warm. It pairs, like this is outline here is Night of Navy, so they pair really nicely together. And I love blue, so I think you'll like it too. Alrighty, so the base of the card is cut on the 4 1/4. It's going to go the long way. And we're going to score it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Okay, so that's really just in half, but then this gets flipped this way. Okay, and then the inner Z, I don't know what you call that, the smaller panel is sized, let's see, 3 by 8 1/2. Extend my arm here. So I'm going to cut this at 8 1/2. And then I will cut this at 3. And then it is scored at 2 and 4. Okay. And then this goes, I think this way. Yep, so that goes that way. I know I've said this before, but I'm so happy with this new paper trimmer. I've been using it more than my guillotine. I like it so much. Okay, so then I already cut these pieces out, but I'll tell you what, actually I can even put this here, you can probably see it. So that was the base, that was the second Z. So the designer series pieces, the base, the back side is 4 by 5 1/4. This piece here. This panel here is 2.5 by 4. And then the Z panel in the inside is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. A white piece to write your name. And that's 1 3/4 by 2 3/4. And I think that's all the pieces. Okay, right there. And so now we'll kind of put our card together. So we'll use this piece, reminds me of like a backsplash. Or actually, it could be a backsplash, or it could even be a fire. You know, sometimes they do those fireplaces, like the facing. And when I put this one on, I close it so that I make sure I line up, you know, those two edges as best I can. Okay, and I'll put this on here. And I think I've said this in other videos too, Stampin' Up! Is coming out with a new adhesive, so snail is no longer. And actually all the refills and stuff are sold out too. I do have a few here at my house, but it's called Stampin' Seal, and I guess it's much stronger than the snail, which is good. And then they're coming out with a Stampin' Seal Plus, which will replace, well, they got rid of the Fast Fuse a year or so ago, but it will take that place, and I guess that is even stronger than the Fuse was, so that's really exciting. Tear and tape is sticking around, so I'm going to actually use that right now. So I'm going to flip this piece over. But I'm excited to try out the new Seal and Seal Plus. I'll put a piece there and a piece here. Okay, so imagine this is going to go here. So a piece on this little piece and here. So I'm going to peel this one off first. Try to peel this one off first. There we go. I'm going to close my card. I have that pinched together, and I'm going to make sure I like where it is. I'm going to seal that. So that's still, you know, I didn't attach it yet, and then I will attach it, because that's going to make that Z. I'll take this off. You could do it all at once after you do a couple. But just in case you put it on crooked, you don't have to take off the whole thing. So I'm going to fold it and then just kind of smooth it down. So there you go, you get your Z, and it folds nice to go right into your envelope. And so now it's more of just kind of decorating. So like I said, I kind of pre-cut the poppies pieces out. I think it's called Poppy Moments, is that die set, which I've used a lot, but I like it. Put a little glue. Actually, I guess I could put a little glue here. I know I mentioned in the other video, they are coming out with, I'll line this up. There we go. The adhesive backed paper. So what you do, and I'll get some and I'll show you, but you put it on your piece of cardstock before you cut out the die, and then you cut out the die and it's already kind of pre-sticky. So that will be nice to have for, you'll see some of the stuff that's coming out just with little, I'm using a mini dimensional here. For fine detailed pieces, it will be nice to, I'm just copying what I did here, to stick instead of the glue. That's all. Okay. So that's glued together. Lost my leaves. Where'd they go? Oh, maybe I didn't cut out leaves. Okay. Well, and then I'll just stamp a quick hello. Again, club members, you can stamp whatever you'd like on the little strip. This hello is from the Timeless Tulips, and this is carrying over, so this will be available in the next catalog. And it also does have a tulip punch that goes with it. I'm just going to use a little hello with the Night of Navy ink. I'll just put a little snail down, overhang a little bit, and I will put glue on my flower. And I'm actually not going to press here. I guess I didn't cut out my leaves, so I'll go back and cut my leaves and I'll kind of stick them in. So there you go. There is a one version of a Z fold card using the new paper that I don't remember what it's called. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you, club members, for watching and putting your kits together. Again, I hope to see you. I hope we can get together in June. That's my goal, but we'll have to see what happens. Your catalogs are coming. And let's see what else. Please, everybody else, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. I try to do them once a week, thereabouts. And visit my blog, mailsomethingpretty.com. And you can sign up for my email list because I send out weekly emails about all sorts of paper crafting things that I hope are helpful to you. So again, my name is Christine Josty, and this is Mail Something Pretty. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.